How to change your default browser app on your Vivo IQOO Z7 phone with Android 13 FunTouch OS 13. I'm talking about this phone here exactly. So in order to change this here, and basically this is the default browser app that will open up if you tap on a link or some link sent through another app, it's going to open up that browser app. And if you want to change the app that it opens up with in terms of browser, here's where you can go to change it. You'll use the quick panel axis and pull it down 2 times as the fastest way to find your settings. Once you're in the main settings here, you can use the search bar and type in these words, default browser app. Once you do that, you'll see this suggestion here and go to it, and it'll take you exactly to where you need to go next. Now, depending on the apps you have installed on your phone, you'll see them here. Hopefully they are compatible, and you can switch them over to which app that will open up links that you might have tapped on from other sites or other apps, all right? And that's that. You can come back and change that at any given time. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.